Learning is multisensory and specific to individual students. Some learn better by reading and others by seeing and hearing. But an effective methodology of learning is by constructing or by doing it yourself, which is the activity-based method of learning. Excel School Solutions, through its parent Excelsoft Technologies, has its solutions deployed in over 7,000 plus schools across the world. Teachers use multiple resources to enhance the learning. The resources could be a combination of print, digital, and physical resources. The learning process commences in the classrooms, where teachers deploy these resources in the same. This is then extended to the subject labs for a more involved learning experience. This is in line with the curriculum requirements and could be adopted to any board.
Mathematics is not dry or boring. It is very practical and learning it is fun. The interactive activities make it all the more interesting and exciting. As a teacher of mathematics, I am very happy to see my students eagerly waiting for their math period to experience the fun and joy of learning.
Even formulas in mathematics can be better explained by using physical manipulatives in the classrooms and activity labs. Your school could further enhance the learning experience for the student by conducting theme-based events. These are normally conducted outside school hours and involves approximately 3 to 4 hours of learning. The themes span across multiple disciplines like mathematics, general science, life science, earth science, physical science, and so on. For example, a theme could be Math Around Us, where we explain various aspects like the Fibonacci number sequence and its relevance in the nature around us. Or for instance, why triangles are the strongest geometrical forms and therefore used in truss bridges. This is best learned by making structures with and without triangles. The reason why manholes are around can help a student understand the application of the chapter on shapes and its relevance in the world around us. Similarly, practical exposure in life sciences and extending classroom theories to labs is a method that ensures better building of knowledge.
Students learn better in a flexible and stimulating environment. It is a better methodology to let the learners construct knowledge rather than the teachers just sharing the information with them. And experimental learning is all about constructing knowledge.
Outdoor learning events incorporated in the system are very helpful for effective learning.
Scientific and critical thinking need to be developed at a very young age. This can happen only when learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom and children experience the learning. As a teacher, I enjoy teaching in this methodology.
As another example, while explaining about the solar system in class, the teacher explains the concept using print resources and digital resources. As a part of an extended learning event, we take the students to the lab where the student can virtually explore any part of the universe and also create certain artifacts collaboratively. The telescope in this case. This is followed by the actual exposure to the planets through the telescope.
Experience-based learning leads to quick and long-lasting retention and recall. A hands-on experience with the digital objects and content facilitates multisensory and rich learning.
Excel School Solutions have a large team of teachers who design these learning activities.
The teacher's preparation is a must to deliver a wholesome learning experience. I need to prepare my resources, the digital content and elements of experiments to engage the students in an interesting manner.
An assessment at the event determines the extent of learning from the particular event. Long-term projects that are linked to the curriculum ensures continuous and comprehensive learning. These projects span across multiple academic years. Here, you're witnessing the student go through a project called Great Plant Hunt, which spans from grade 1 to 7. Embracing this methodology of learning, we have set up a model school in Mysore, and this is what the parents associated with the school have to say about the learning process.
To me as a parent, what's most important is that my child has to be happy no matter where he is. What I see in this particular place is that my child is very happy, he's constantly beaming, he's always telling me about the interaction he has with his peers as well as the teachers. He's also talking about the extracurricular activities that he has. Over here what I see is that they're more creative. They tend to ask questions, which is encouraged, which is definitely a plus point. It encourages the creativity. They are, they go out for outdoor activities. So everything is more of a practical oriented thing for them.
One of the concerns we had of sending our children to an Indian school was the fear of just rote learning, the fear of lots and lots of homework, which is just straight memorization. And we're very pleasantly surprised and delighted that in this school it's more activity-based, it's more critical thinking, and it's teaching children to problem solve rather than just memorize information.
We would be thrilled to extend these solutions to your school, which we believe will augment your present methodology. Let us activate young minds.